Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, everybody? Good morning, chat. What up, Monet, Ali, Mick, J Styles? Quack, quack, Nesto. Oh, shit. Thank you. Dude, I haven't even had my freaking coffee yet. What up, Nate? Man, good morning, good morning. Woof. I am just setting everything up. I am setting everything up. Dude, we streamed last night. Yo, what up, white trash? Looking for these opportunities. Yo, what up, XRP? Yo, did you see XRP just run up to like 240, by the way? And then the crypto news just came out yesterday for crypto news just came out yesterday. Crypto news just that they're going to enable like uh MSTR to be in like funds or something like that. Did you see that? I don't. There was 242. Yeah, I just freaking I saw that news. I actually thought of you when I saw the news yesterday, and I was given XRP the other day for something, and I held it for just like 2 days, and it went up a bunch. It went for I forget. I sold it at like 220. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, I'm going for some payouts right now. I need to get some payouts. Yo, I meant to look for something from actually Ange sent it to me. Let me see if I could look it up. It's called Let me see this thing. They don't have it on here. It's all locked. We Nah, it's all I think it's all locked. Let's just see what this does. I don't really know what it does. Oh, it kind of is the same fucking levels as Spaceman BTC. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta relook at that at some point. I don't sell. Oh, you don't ever sell it? Do you stake it at least? Are you getting something back? I would at least stake it. You know? I don't know. What do you get for staking anyways? Like 3%? 4%? Literally every time I say I need payouts, I shit the bed. Yeah, I mean, you definitely forcing it is not gonna help you out. I'm just if I get 150 bucks today, I could take a payout, and then I could take another payout tomorrow. I might be able to get 3 more payouts this week, actually. Oh, you just keep it in cold wallet? Why don't you stake it though? Is that not good? Talk to me like I'm 5 because I don't really know. I just assume staking it would be good on like Coinbase. Woo! Coffee just hits good in the morning. Up or down? If I had to choose what is going on today, yo, all seriousness, you're getting like higher lows, right? Dude, this is what this looks like, by the way. So originally, I thought we'd come up here and dump, right? I drew it right here, as you could see, and I said that we would dump. We kind of dumped already. It's kind of right. I drew this a while. I drew this back here, actually, and I said that we were going to come up a little bit. I thought we would go a little bit higher, and I said that we would probably dump down. We actually went up a couple candles and then just dumped down. So this line is actually voided out. The play actually played out. Now, what I'd be looking at, that's what we're in right now. Ah, that's crazy. Actually, I didn't know that. So I think if we're able to pop out of here, we'll probably at least go to 26, 128 and test these highs, if not all-time highs. But you have a nice flag. I mean, this is a daily flag that basically started back in November. Right? Following, yes. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up like the guy from Venezuela. So last night I traded gold live on the stream. I streamed last night and came out pretty good. Now it's time to connect all my stuff. I got to get my quant up, make sure my copy trader's working. Oh. Yo, what up, Schulster? Yo, by the way, after I left last night, did anyone keep their orders in for gold? Because if you did, you hit. I hit for $200 after the stream was over. I just left my orders in. The play finally freaking played out. Gold is the devil's brew? I don't know. A lot of people don't like gold. I don't know. I go back and forth. I go back and forth. It doesn't. It's just a completely different trading style. So if you think you're trading the same way, um, you're not trading the same way as you do NQ. And I think that's the biggest problem with it that people don't realize is that you're not trading the same. You know what I'm saying? I use not a completely, but a very different strategy on it. Yo, oh yeah, Sean's on here. Yeah. So it definitely is not the same. Definitely not the same. You're better, I don't want to call it DCA, but you're better buying like legging in on gold. That's kind of what I found more than anything. I leg in on gold more often than anything. And it seems to work the best. Yo, that hit last night too, Sean, at the end. I just gotta leave it in. What could go wrong? You just leave it in. No data for NQ. What the absolute... I got to restart my quant. I don't understand what just happened. I don't know why I didn't... It's connecting. I'm connecting. Rhythmic 3 is connected. Yo, Quant Tower. I had to restart Quant Tower. Awesome. All right. I'm all set up. I'm all set up for this right now. I'm just looking at something. We've got 13 minutes to open. I'm setting up all my stuff. Everybody ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Ah. Dude, I'm ready to rip this thing. What up, Fearless? I am ready to rip this thing, to be honest with you. Ah. Gold's flagging. NQ got 10 minutes. I kind of like the upside, but let's see what this what happens here. Let's see what happens here. What up, Monet? What up, Eli? Locked in my first Lucid payout on 2 fundeds, 1,500 each. Boom, helpful. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, that's a great way to start the year. Best 65 bucks I ever spent. And you didn't have to buy a $1,000 trading course. Oh man, PayPal is slowly going over $60. Oh, that's crazy. I mean, that's what's great about prop firms is you could spend 65 bucks and make back so much more. The biggest problem you got to look at is like, you know, don't be over trading, don't revenge trade, don't size up, follow a strategy. The odds are you probably get paid. You know, it's when you do all the other BS that you don't get paid. Oh, once I stop trading in what I call no man's land, yeah, it usually takes one thing to kind of change. One thing normally changes everything. That's typically what happens is you change one thing about trading. It could be an indicator, it could be not trading something, not trading during a certain time, not taking certain trades, and then all of a sudden everything just kind of turns around. All right, I gotta start a replicanto. I'm gonna do I gotta set a replicanto up for this, which is 80. And then I'm gonna set a gold one up. MNQ. This is all setup process of the morning. 64. 66, 69. And then that's 64. So I'm gonna do trade of 8 here. I'm gonna go 64. I was stuck in the past the eval below the funded cycle for 2 months. I stopped trying to trade overnight, which is huge. Stopped trying to trade gold and took trades at my levels. That's it. I locked in 3K, but did not because of trading, because I'm working like a slave with this overtime. Well, I would just keep getting it. Why not? I would get overtime as much as you can, man. I would slam as much OT as you could possibly can. What's the downside to it? You know, like what's really the downside to OT, honestly? Dude. So I'm nervous about two things right now. One, you have 25,800 that is literally 14 points above where we are. The other thing I'm nervous about is if we catch the downside, VWAP, not VWAP. Oh, VWAP's right below us and the 200. I kind of want to see us break out to like 810. Yo, anyone new on here? Say what's up. I want to hear from you. Tell me if you like the morning stream if you're new. I like to see who's on. What's up, Chris? I really had good 2 months of trading last year. Max out the Roth IRA contribution for my wife and I. Ah. There you go. People don't realize you just got to go on a stretch. Like, I don't know if I'm in that stretch, but the beginning of this year has been very good. And sometimes, like, you can make your yearly nut in a month or two, and then the rest of the year just kind of float around. People don't realize in like trading, like, sometimes that happens. You're sick as fuck? What happened? What happened, Maria? I'm only risking 100 today in this account. This lost yesterday, and luck, I did something wild because I really liked it one way and I made it all back. But I don't know if that's going to happen today. I do like that I lost yesterday, but because it wasn't like it was a loss, but it didn't lose in my account. So I kind of like that, but I kind of like this upside, but I don't like that it's 800. It's right fucking here. I don't know what I'm going to do. Yo, my order just disappeared. I don't know what happened. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck, dude. I'm in some type of position somewhere. No, I'm not in a position somewhere. So something happened. I don't know what happened. Here's my results. I lost $7 in this account. And this is what the rest looks like. I don't know what happened. I have no idea. This is the account. Oh no. Yeah, I don't even know what happened. This is what happens with copy trading. You know, like this one. This is what happens with copy trading, guys. I actually don't even know what happened. I don't know. It is what it is. And it hit, which I. It hit, but I don't know what happened. I don't know. My copy trader fucked up. I don't know. You win some, you lose some. I kind of broke even with a couple money and some money, I guess. I made $354. I don't really know what happened. I saw Quant Tower got delayed. I saw Quant Tower was delayed, and then I don't know. That's all I know. Morning, Nao. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Um, I can risk. I might try to trade one of my accounts to get the payout today. And I could risk $100 to try to make 150. Um, I'm gonna do that later on, I think. Let me shut my copy trader off so it doesn't. Copy trader stopped. I'm gonna. I'm gonna switch to MNQ, and I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna go to the account that I can get a payout in today, and we're gonna possibly ride this. I'll take we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So this thing's just going. Damn. Don't chase. Don't chase. Do not chase. Do not chase. We almost hit Asia high and previous day high. I would like to see us sweep 338 and then maybe take a short. That would actually interest me. Over 338 and then short it. We almost got there. Just watch this level. You got previous day high and Asia high. Damn, it just missed. Look at that fucking short, by the way. Look at that short. Yo, we come down to like 94. I might. might take some. Sean is driving right now for something, and I have no idea. Marie was up late with us trading. Don't bounce there. Come on. Randall's here watching the opening hour. I think they're going to bring it down further. I think you're going to come down. I'm going to shrink this. I'm going to leave this up on this screen so I can see the chat, but also I can trade Quant Tower. Dude, I can't believe it hit today and my freaking thing messed up. Yo, 138.38 is Asia high. Yo, I think we just took it. Asia high, previous day high.
Order filled. Order filled.
Boom. I just scalped that. I just got 75 in this funded account and like 30 bucks in those three. Oh, Sean is his own boss. It was such a good little scalp. I fucked up on gold because I wasn't watching.
Order filled.
I took a quick gold short here.
Order filled.
There you go. That was quick. There's news. There's non-farm payroll tomorrow. No, is that tomorrow or Friday? That's Friday. Dude, I thought today was Thursday for a second, Monet. You got me worried. You got me worried. I was like, no. Tomorrow. I bought some Apex accounts to load up for non-farm payroll on Friday. I got like 5 accounts I'm just going to let rip on that thing. I'm going to let non-farm payroll spit on that thing and see if I can get them over. Man, that gold short is playing out nice. $5. I'm waiting for the orb to set in 3 minutes. 3 more minutes. I can't believe I need freaking $135 for a payout. And the thing messed up today. So redonkulous. Feels like we're in for a choppy morning, to be honest with you. Hey, Cove. Can you explain what exactly is the orb? It's the first 15 minutes of trading from 9:30 to 9:45. The bottom to the top. It's the opening range. I guess orb is opening range breakout or break, but opening range would just be the OR. You just kind of went with the orb. But it's just the, yeah, it's the first 15 minutes. Kind of sets the tone. This thing's looking like it's going to go further up. It's just consolidating right here. Short on NQ? I'm not short on NQ. I took a short before. Yes, Steven, you can. I'm letting this play out, Fearless. I like to see what happens in the first 15 minutes. Now that it's set, I would kind of want to see us break the top and then come back through the bottom. Like, come hop over and then come back down, or come back down and bounce, or come back down and sell through. That's what I'm looking to play. What's up, Nighthawk? You got to call me Dragon. Jolts at 10, news at 10, everybody. I limit order in the morning. I use both. I definitely don't want to be left out. I don't want to be left out in the rain, but I would say it kind of has to depend on what I'm doing. Ah, look. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Oh, my volume's off. There you are.
All right.
How's your
Let's get
morning?
started. Good.
My
Thanks,
opening
Ash.
trade hit and my copy trader messed up
Oh no. Of course, the damn copy trader.
for a payout too.
Oh geez. I caught this. I was up 300 in one account and then it wicked me out and I only got 100. And now I'm up 300 in another account.
Oh, well, I mean,
Yeah. It's doing good. I'm kind of worried it's going to reverse.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just looking for a little scalp quickie. I just feel like the risk reward here is I'm
Yeah.
not risking much, and I could get $30.
Order filled.
I just take, I can't let it just sit there. Like, I know I can get 15, $20 in each account. I just freaking do it. It's only because it adds up at the end of the day. Happens I'm down 18K on a trade from yesterday. I thought I'd close it for 3K profit. Jeez. I'm guessing you're long, right?
I'm long. And now I'm having the debate. Do I close it or do I hold it?
I trail it up if I were you.
That's what I'm doing.
I mean, you've been doing well, so like, why change what you're doing?
Right. Because it's sweeping Asia.
I know. What are you in, ES or NQ?
NQ.
I mean, I'd probably be moving my stop up to like 54 or something.
Yeah. And here it comes. Actually, I'm just going to take it.
Take it.
There. I'm out.
Yeah. It's a great trade, though. I mean, you said you're up a couple $100.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, you don't even have to do anything the rest of the day. I
was thinking because like yesterday I was just trading all day long. And then I don't know why I was wide awake in the middle of the night last night taking trades.
Probably because you were on the stream with me last night.
I know, got me all worked up. So I did good. I caught most of that drop down. And I finally went to bed. I just put it in profit and just went to bed. And then I heard it stop me out at some point. It like wicked me out. What was I going to say? Oh, then I was thinking, is this just like an ego thing that I want to rack up all these dollars when I could just like get $200 or whatever in scale?
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, you're right there. I mean, you're moving I don't know how many accounts you got, but I feel like you're moving a lot up at the same time.
I've just been trading one at a time.
Yeah, no, I meant like you're getting gains.
Oh, yeah.
I went short right here, by the way. I'm trying to get it.
Yeah, this is a good place.
Order filled.
I mean, are we really going to go short today? Are we going to go bearish today?
I think it's going to be more of a rest day.
Yeah.
I just moved my stop down. I'm only risking 8 points here because if it doesn't go, they're going to bring it back up. It's gotta get pushed down like here. Otherwise, I'm going to get roasted. What sucks is I just got stopped out break even on my other account that has a mini on. Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, I forgot to even. I forgot to watch my orb. Shoot, where is it?
Trying to see if I can.
Oh,
do something.
we didn't close outside it, so I'm good.
Oh, on the ES.
Uh-huh. Totally forgot about it.
Man, this is gonna go. I'm gonna push it higher.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think they're gonna algo it up. I'm just gonna scalp it. I'm literally just trying to get freaking a couple points.
Mm-hmm. ES has been taking out levels, and NQ is
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I just got my money back. It's fucking hot in my office. I just want to get my money back. I try not to do that on the stream, by the way. Like scalp for like 3-4 points, but you know, because I don't want people to be like, oh, he's taking that and he's holding it. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what your ES is doing. Nope, ES is coming back in.
Where's Sean?
He's driving right now.
Oh. What was that? Still going up.
Yeah. Trade of 8 always over wealth. Wealth chart sucks. Do not do wealth charts. Do not do wealth charts. Dude, why didn't you buy them last night? They were $20. Yo, sweet sound of order filled running through my car speakers. Man, they're holding this up here. I thought they would have dumped it by now.
Mm-hmm.
How we took out Asia and whatnot. slippage on market order in the mornings. Yeah, you can get slipped. Without a doubt, you can get slipped.
There we go.
It's just been playing around though. Like, I don't know how much I trust that. You gonna take that short? What's ES doing? Man, it would be a great freaking short here too. That 51st state really pushing the market up. We're right in a daily flag, by the way. I think we might see all-time highs here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we swept Asia highs. Boom. I appreciate it, Nighthawk. I was giving them away. I got to switch to something else this week. I don't know what's a good deal. I got to look. I got to pass these freaking accounts. I bought 5 Apex accounts for freaking non-farm payroll for Friday. I just figured, why not? ES is starting to give it up a little bit. Is it finally going to do it? Are you in anything or no?
No. I'm waiting for some interest.
Oh, Jolts just came out.
Really?
Yeah, they said Jolts was coming out.
Okay.
Tradeify, not wealth charts. Yeah, definitely not wealth charts.
Oh, here we go. If this holds down here, I'll go short.
Holy shit. I love the short, but with Jolts coming out, I wasn't going to touch it, to be honest.
I would like to see it come down to the low of London. That's what I was hoping it was going to do on open.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is risky. I got into gold long. I just can't have everything on my screen at once. But I'm in gold long.
I'm in short on NQ.
Short NQ?
Yeah. Oh, they are testing the sirens on the nuclear plant.
Order filled.
Oh. What do you have? One by you?
Yes. It's an eerie sound.
Is the water warm by you?
Yes.
There used to be some type of power plant in Freeport where I used to jet ski, and the water in the bay was freaking warm.
No way.
Yeah, it was warm. I guess that's how they were cooling it down.
Oh wow.
And we would jet ski there, and as you get closer You know, because there's water by your feet. You could feel your feet starting to get warmer, and you can see the gauge, the temperature gauge going up a little bit on the.
Mhm.
I was like, "Yo, we're glowing." It wasn't nuclear though, but it was freaking. Soon they're going to be putting those up everywhere. By the way,
Oh yeah.
yeah, to support the AI power, the needed power for all these AI plants and chip
Oh.
plants and everything. They're talking about putting these plants almost next to the AI plants for the power needed. All these data centers and everything.
They're talking about putting one of those over here too.
Yeah, from trading pretty much, Steven. I cut it all off ages ago. What are you playing off the bottom? Going to the bottom orb?
Oh, that's about to break out. No, I was not in that.
I need $100 more in this account for a freaking payout today.
So if that closes over here, I will be taking that short on ES. I don't know. Maybe, yeah, maybe we're just going to go back and forth.
Gold just overshot. Even though I got the bounce, it definitely freaking overshot. Overshot on the upside too, which is interesting. Probably shouldn't have played it off of news. They're gonna backfill this thing.
Oh, didn't make it.
What?
Didn't make it outside the orb.
What are you looking at? ES? Oh, ES on the bottom? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If ES starts bouncing, NQ probably goes back up to the top orb because we're not that far from it. Like, NQ is much stronger right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's an imbalance right here at 53.
Yeah, I'm going long.
I'm just scalping this. I'm not married to this position. I just think it's going to hit this 53 imbalance. Oh, motherfucker. Are you kidding me? Oh, my God. I'm just going to exit this thing.
Order filled. Order filled.
Anytime I just don't get, like, it gets too... Oh, there it is. She just hit my TP. You piece of shit. Look at that. Look at that. Anytime it wicks up and wicks back down, I always feel like I'm fucked. Yo, Mew, what up? Smash the old like button. Smash it. Welcome to the stream, man. Or woman. Dude, if you held... Awesome. I got out 1 second before it would have paid me. And gold's bouncing right out of that range. Jeez. Yeah, welcome, welcome. You're in long, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're getting paid right now.
Yep.
What are we up? 5 LUs today?
4.
I feel like you're just stacking gains.
I've been doing really well. You know, the thing that I've been doing is the FEGs. I think that's like my thing now.
What, the inversions?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Ever since we started playing them, life has been really good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah. Especially if you like sweep like an area and then you take it.
Mm-hmm.
I am more biased to the upside taking them than to the downside personally. But yeah, they have definitely changed. Also, it's a confirmation to get in a lot of times for me. Wow, we're just chopping to this range. Man, what is your strategy? Um, Richard Gere's gerbil flips a magic coin for me. No. Uh, I like playing sweeps. I play fair value gap inversions a lot. I play momentum out of the gate for the when the market opens. Uh, on gold, I am playing retracements for a quick bounce, as you can see right over here. I have a lot more screens up than you see, but my best strategy would be like, say right here, I would want to take out the lows of the open, come down, and invert a fair value gap to the upside, and that would be my money. But I talk about everything I'm looking at on here. It's not like I'm just randomly hitting the buttons. I answer all your questions, Mew. Like if you got questions, just ask. That's what this is about. You know. See, now things are getting a little murky, I would say, because we've kind of broke over the orb multiple times, and we already got that move down. Like it's getting to the point that it's just kind of not in play anymore. You know, if anything, you'd want to see this probably take out the highs. I'm all about first touches, so like for bounces, rejections. Like once it rejects the first time, I'm not looking to take it again. You know, it's over for me.
I'm trailing this pretty tight because I don't trust it. Oh, and I'm out.
There you go.
I would trust it more if ES was doing the same thing.
Yeah. I'm clicking this thing on Sean's indicator. I'm gonna take freaking gold right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I didn't mean to hit that twice, by the way.
Oh, finally.
I didn't mean to hit that twice. I meant to of course, the one time I make a mistake is the time I probably take an L.
Yeah, so last night in Q, it was in that range. And then I saw it just come up and tap that golden zone. I'm like, holy crap, it's doing it.
Oh,
It did the thing.
yeah.
And that was the start of that whole move down.
Yep. It works.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I just started playing around with it on my chart, and it just kind of works for me. What up, Zayback? Come on, gold. Come on, gold. I didn't mean to buy more. Do your thing. Get me out of this. I should just take the one out is what I should do. I should have just got out of the one at break even, but I'm being a greedy fuck right now. Oh, come on. Just pop it. Man, oh man. Gold, you gonna do me like this? What sucks though is as gold stays down here, it's overshooting out. Gold's gonna hit fucking VWAP and bounce hard.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I am short in ES for the orb.
Bro, gold just completely. This is one of those times I get gold fucked. You're short now?
Yeah, in ES.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, are you shitting me? Gold? Oh, man. Marie.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that's not even fucking VWAP. Motherfucker.
What happened?
Ah, I was looking at the wrong thing. Get the fuck out of here. I thought that was VWAP. It wasn't. If I get out of this, it's luck. You know what it is? It's a VWAP band I was looking at thinking it was VWAP.
Oh.
This is why I don't leave those fucking bands on my screen.
Yeah, I take those off.
Oh my god, I gotta take these off.
Oh, here comes NQ down.
I would never have done that if I didn't know that wasn't. If I didn't know if that wasn't VWAP. I thought it was VWAP. I didn't know it was a band. That was stupidity on my part. Fully accept the loss. See what happens when you just deviate from shit even without even knowing?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I'm going to take a massive loss here. Not massive, but it's stupid is really what it was. Yeah, the bands. Yo, I thought the bands were freaking VWAP. That's stupid. That's stupid on my part. I should have had them off. I mean, you know, that's my own fault. Nobody else's fault. Stupid. Live with my mistake. You know what I mean? I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm not going to do stupid shit after this. You know, it's just, it's over and that's it.
Order filled.
It's a sell. I'm getting out of gold. Reducing my loss. When is it free funded account? When you're giving away. Oh, today we'll do it. Free funded? No. Unless you want to give me a free funded account. Are you in short still?
Yes. I'm at break even.
Wow, can't lose then.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like it. I think a bird just flew into my window.
Really?
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy fuck.
Order filled.
Yo, I'm definitely getting one of those letters from Apex. Oh my god. Let's just say I worked out of that.
That's take me out.
That's why you play micros, because you can add. Holy shit. So I was down $700 in 3 PA accounts at one point. And now they're basically they're basically even. One's down $7, one's down $10, and one's up $2 or $1. I just learned my lesson about taking the VWAP bands off.
Oh. Took me out. Darn
I mean, it's choppy action right now.
Yeah.
Yo, Apex sent you an email that they're telling me that they're watching. Yo, all I sent back was Robert De Niro from fucking Meet the Fockers, and I'm just like this right back at him. Wow. I can't believe that just happened to me. I can't believe I got fooled by a VWAP band. That's why I don't cut my losses. I just kept adding. I was right there to take a loss too. I was like literally $1 away on gold to just get out and be like, I could take an $800 loss and say, hey, I can make that back, but I'm not letting it get to like 1,500 or some shit like that. Woo! Get the blood going early, boys. Oh, man. Just watch out. I think this is flagging to go higher if I had to guess. This is one thing I don't like. You see the ES? It rechecked the bottom orb and rejected, Marie. Maybe she dropped off. I don't know. But yeah, ES just rejected the top orb, so it's something you want to watch out for. If ES can get back inside, NQ might take this to high a day because NQ is much stronger at this point. Man, fuck you, PayPal. Fuck you, PayPal. My bad. Yo, what up, Flip a Zip? Right here, big time. NQ is hitting the top orb. ES is hitting the bottom. Just another rejection. Jeez. I'm not shorting this only because we're in a flag right now. But yeah, we give an away account every day. I gotta figure out what it's gonna be. I have no idea. I'm gonna go look around and see what's good that's out there. Something that they're running a deal on. Don't worry, Mew. If you win, I'll get you a Bulenox account. Bro, PayPal is treating me like I'm freaking locked in the basement and comes home every day from work and abuses me. I get beat every day by PayPal. Literally. Every day. It's one day it will go, Steven. One day. When Amazon decides to buy it. Dude, this gold play.
Oh shoot, I was on mute again.
Oh yeah. I was saying
that every day when he comes in, you hear the flip on the lid of the Diddy oil. How comes in?
That's how PayPal is.
Yeah.
I get Diddy oiled up every day. Yep. Yep, that's exactly what happens. One day, it will turn for me.
Why did it go down anyway?
I don't know why, because it's just hated right now.
PayPal?
Yeah, in general. What's weird is their business is growing. They're buying back shares. They're an AI. They're an open AI partner. Once open AI launches, they're gonna be you're gonna be able to check out using PayPal. So like revenue growth is gonna go through the roof there, and it's just I'm just buying my time. I mean, there's nothing I could do, but I'm in. Do you buy the accounts you give away, or do props supply them? I buy the accounts. The accounts come out of my own pocket. I don't give you. If you realize, very, very rarely do I ever send you a code. If you receive a code, that means it was given to me to give to you, which is very rare. Most of the time, I'm sending you a Zelle, a PayPal, or a Venmo. Yeah. Yeah. Unlike other people that are on YouTube, I actually am giving it to you out of my own pocket just to kind of give back to the community. Damn, this thing's just going to go. This would be the spot right here. Rechecking the orb.
Order filled. Order filled.
You going short?
Nah, I'm going to go long. I'm going to add if it can break over if we can break over this candle, I'll add to it. Holy shit. Gold, I would be a fucking, you know how much money I just would have made on gold? It just went up $20.
Oh my God.
Order filled.
I was in freaking heavy too. I was in almost 20 micros. It's almost 2 minis.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going in heavy on gold. If it stops me out now, it stops me out. It'd be a waste if this thing doesn't eventually pop. Just the setup and everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just feels like it's set to just go. I think you can get an algo candle up to like 9, like an algo candle right over here, at least. When we break
That would
over,
make sense.
when we break over 79, it's probably gonna.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I am $13 away from a $2,000 payout.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hold on, I gotta focus on this fucking account. $13 away from a 2G payout. I've been dicking around with this all morning. How hard is $13, guys? Some of my Apex accounts are getting sneaky, like are building up without me even noticing. I've noted. These are the gold accounts. These are gold accounts. $13. What's $13? So I need to only get 20 ticks. I'll do 22 ticks, actually. 22 ticks. I think I'm gonna wait it though. This is looking freaking dicey here. I don't know if it's gonna keep going up. I was playing that like big algo, that algo up.
Mm-hmm.
That's the hardest trade. Yo, how hard is 18 cents, guys? Were you on the stream for that, Marie? When I blew a
No, 18 cents.
I was 18 cents away from a $1,500 payout, and I blew it. The problem was I made a winning trade, and I went from 18 cents to needing $2, and I was like, "Wait, what? Just as commissions." So then I did it again. At some point, I got caught in like an algo candle, and it went from like $2 or $5 to like $80 real quick, and then I was like, "Oh shit!" And then I should have just fucking waited. I should have waited till the morning.
I did it from $4 away once.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That sucks. I had one with Apex that was probably somewhere around that $4 or $5, and I bought with Rhythmic Trader Pro, and something happened with their dashboard, and
Oh no.
and by the time I was able to log back in, I was down 400, and they were like, "Oh, no problems here." Yeah, and we'll just say that account did not make it. Hey man, at least I can be open about it, shit happens to me too sometimes. Yeah, Clint, you're trying to chase 200 to pass and you'll lose 1,000. Oh, geez, helpful. Oh man. I'm gonna try getting this $13. I don't know when. Probably not right here. I got all day to do it. You know what I'm saying?
I remember when I did it, I was thinking, well, I had been trading kind of big,
No.
and I was grabbing like big chunks of money, and I'm like, one more, and I'll get that $4.
The problem is you don't wait for a setup. You just figured
Yeah.
I could just buy anything and it, I'll get it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I mean, how hard is it to like go in with size and make $4? But literally that's the point where it makes a candle that doesn't wick and it just goes like straight down.
Yep. Yep.
That was a lesson.
You think like, oh, I'm gonna go big and just go for 5 ticks. You're better off just going small.
Yeah.
And at least if you lose, you're only like if I lose this trade, like I'm down, then I'll only need like $30. It's I'm making it so I can still get it. It's still obtainable if I take a loss.
That's like tilt mind logic.
Oh, what, going big?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean you can just get thrown into the I need to make this type shit.
Whoa,
Holy
that?
fuck.
What was that? Did we get some news or something?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I don't know what that was. I almost want to do it on this candle, but I'm not. I bet you they backfill this bad boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was obviously super risky, boys and girls. That was not recommended. Wow. Russian oil tanker seized? Shut up. No way. That's crazy. Gold didn't flinch. Honestly, it's probably not great for the markets. That's crazy if that's what happened. Let me just look on Financial Juice to get the deal. Where do you see this Russian thing at? Where do you see this Russian oil tanker news? Yo, Matt, where do you see that the oil tanker was seized? Dude, I don't see that. Do you see that anywhere, Marie?
Uh-uh. I saw a mention of it last night that they were like moving towards it.
I'm just trying to find so we know what's going on.
I do not see anything.
No. U.S. forces board oil tanker in challenge to Russia. The stream freezing? I don't know. Is the stream freezing for anybody?
I saw it doing some stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll restart my computer at lunch for everybody.
Yeah, like right now it's doing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. It needs a reset. The computer needs a reset, probably. Let me see what I could do. I'm going to take Ninja Trader off, is what I'm going to do. Ninja's probably eating up my resources. That should help things. I just took Ninja Trader off. The last thing I got to take off is, I guess, Quant Tower, but I'm just trying to pass this freaking account. It might be because I have two, you know what it might be? I just took, I'm running, let me see this. When I start running all these charts, there we go. This will free up space, less charts running. Yeah, I'm reducing the usage of everything on my computer. The problem is I'm running too many Tradeovates. Trading views. That should be better. Well, I can fix it at lunchtime. I'll restart my computer. You dump PayPal years. I mean, I just bought PayPal. I'm not, you know. Listen, I'm a community member in PayPal now. I'm not. I'm past an investor. I'm a community member. Well, just say something. But yeah, I'm gonna restart my computer in an hour. Damn. That look at that news. It didn't even phase the freaking market.
Yeah, pretty weird.
Well, I took Ninja Trader off, and I currently need $32. I went from $12 to $32. Oh man. You know what? I'll just shut my Quant Tower off for now, and I'll revisit Quant Tower in an hour after I restart my computer. Oh, I just realized Apex is going to shut this shit off. You can't be logged in on two different computers with Tradeivy. They let you log on for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then something goes, and so I can't play gold in those accounts until I restart my computer. So I'm gonna play gold. I'm gonna play. Oh, I'm in Lucid right now over here. Well, NQ just shook that off real quick. I think the daily looks great, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. We're breaking the trend. If you're looking at this, look at this thing. Here's the trend line, and today's the break day. Super bullish. Yeah, it backfills. A lot of times when you get news like that, all that is an algo candle, and then they backfill it. But if you're looking at this is the daily, we're starting to pop out of this. That's kind of bullish. Kind of bullish. Man, that's wild. It just shook it off in 2 seconds. Well, I'm on the same I'm on the same IP, like I'm on the same internet, but as soon as I put it on my laptop, Clint, after about 5 minutes, it'll shut the older one off, and I gotta relog in. So it used to not be like that. It's something new. It used to be fine. Cove, when you resubmitted your tax W-9 form, did you sign electronically at the end? Probably. I haven't physically signed a W-9 in ages. Yeah, I used, yeah, I most definitely digitally did that. Without a doubt. Dude, my fucking alarm's beeping. Are you in anything or no?
No, just watching.
Did you get caught in that dump?
No.
Oh, that's awesome. Because if you don't have a stop on, that's like an account wrecker.
Oh yeah. I always have stop.
Yeah, I mean, that was like 90 points. I mean, if I go down 90 points, at that point, I'm probably just like, F it, you know? Yeah, Clint. I used to be able to put them on 2 computers because I could trade NQ on the screen in front of you, and then I could trade, if I wanted to trade gold on the accounts on this computer, I can, but it's not. It's not like that. See, now I got this in the back of my head, this freaking news release.
I know, me too. I'm like, can it still be super bullish after that?
I mean, it's going. You'd want to see it hold right here if you're bullish. Hold 900, hold the 9, and then kind of flag out of this up to like 24 or something. Man. You could have passed any eval you wanted on that. You could have got your $800.
Yeah.
I have never accidentally, I've never oh, I was short, and then that news candle came out. Like, I've never
I
had.
know.
I'm always like, oh, I'm long, and the news candle comes out. And I'm like, well, there goes that account. I gotta click my freaking alarm. My alarm won't stop beeping. Hold on 1 second. yeah, the internet in my house is so awful that I have relays through my whole house. And that's why my alarm beeps is it loses connection and then it will just keep beeping and I have to hit the OK button. Stupid. But I get no internet in my office unless I use a relay. I have to trade these separately now. Anyone taking this flag? Are you taking this flag or no?
Nope. I don't see anything I want to touch right now.
Probably for the better. What's up, Vinny? I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
I'm not risking much.
Well, maybe the market likes that we're going to be shuttling oil to here. Maybe it's not a bad thing to the market.
Order filled.
Come on, keep pushing. Come on, turn green. Turn green. Come on, you know you want to keep pushing. See, I should be copy trading this in multiple accounts right now, but I had to shut my Ninja Trader off. A solid move though, $154 in the PA account.
Mm-hmm.
Next PA. We break this rest candle to the upside. I'll take it. I'll take it because I'm not copy trading. How's that sound? If it comes below this wick, I'm going to take my order off. I don't want it to go below 914. Ah, Nathan White, Marie's brother. You see 26K for today? I'm kind of with you on that. Keep it going. If we get to like 28.30, I'm going to go to break even. I want to see continuation. I don't want to see a pullback. Yeah, I'm out. It's only $25. Oh. Stocks are starting to turn around. There's some that were down that are starting to come back. The old 935. Yo, I'm just curious. Did the buffering stop on the stream or no? I'm curious if it's Ninja Trader.
I'm not seeing it.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's fucking Ninja Trader. So what happens is I don't reset these things, and because they stay open, I feel like they open like scripts on the back end, and the scripts. It's kind of like, you know how Ninja, like the chart just stops.
Mm-hmm.
I think something happens with Ninja. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, we're just gonna slow grind this now.
ES is bouncing on the upper orb right now.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Oh, it's under it though. It didn't go over it.
Yeah, it's just bouncing on it from below.
Yeah. That gets over. Probably run the rest of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Probably help NQ get to 26,000. It's got to pull back though. There's no way. Yo, what's good, Fiber? Buffer stop for you. I think it's Ninja Trader. Which obviously sucks for me because I can't copy trade right now.
You need Ninja Trader to copy?
Yeah, I use Replicanto.
Uh-huh.
So I don't have any charts up. I just have the copy trader up.
Mm. I bought it, but I haven't used it because it kept just making all my stuff work funny.
That's so weird.
Yeah. I'll go back to it at some point.
Were you using it at the open or a regular time?
Anytime. I didn't even have to be have it on, or I mean, in a trade. It just, as soon as I had the program on, it made my Ninja Trader freeze up. It might just be my computer couldn't handle it or something.
You definitely gotta you definitely have to restart it every day.
Yeah.
Which is stupid, but
I just didn't have time to figure it out.
I mean, I don't know why it would cause that, but yeah, it's super easy for me personally. I like using it. I've had issues with Trade Syncer a lot, like more
Yeah.
issues than anything. Trade Syncer. That was the worst.
Yeah, it seems like a really good program.
It's good. It's good any time of the day except at the open.
What happens at the open?
There's just too many orders for it to do.
Uh,
Just too many orders. So what happens is like one order doesn't get filled, or I've had an order that like I put a buy, and then somehow TradeSyncer turns it into a sell on some accounts. I guess because it moved too fast that the buy didn't get hit, but the sell
yeah.
got hit, which was my TP. Yo, what up, Martin? I don't know. It was kind of wasn't good for me. That I could tell you. Having a pretty good day today. Can't complain.
Mhm. It was great at open.
Stayed away from that news.
Yeah.
You guys remind me of the Robin and Howard Stern, but very light.
No.
Bro, Howard Stern went off the deep end.
I'm not seeing all the chat messages. Oh, I have it on top chat.
Top chat? Yeah, you gotta go to light. You gotta go to live chat.
There it is.
Did you get my thing last night in time or no?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
I was just
Thank
wondering.
you.
I was
Yeah.
just wondering.
At like 11:30. I'm like,
Yeah.
what's this?
Well, I was like laying in bed. I was like, I meant to hit it up earlier, and I was like, I just forget a bunch of stuff. I just figured you were saying you were testing stuff out and whatnot. So I was like, use it for that or use it for whatever you want. You guys. Except no boobs being shown. Do you want me to show you my boobs?
Howard Stern showed boobs.
Back in the day, probably on.
Did he really?
Yeah, I remember he had some girl sit on a speaker while he hummed into it and turned the volume up. You didn't see that ever?
No.
Oh yeah. Dude, that show used to be wild. Yeah, it was in private parts, but it was based on something that really happened. Oh, they're just gonna pop. Oh, they just popped this thing. I'll show you my helicopter for the right price. So $5. $5. Well, now I'm at 20. I need $26. I probably would have made my money if I just held in, but I'm so worried about taking a loss here that I'm just scalping. Josie! Do you listen to Kid Rock, or is that not hard enough?
Yeah, that's not hard enough.
So like, if you're just chilling out, like
Uh-huh.
you're just like, oh, I'm gonna cook a nice meal, like you'll just blast some headbanger stuff.
Maybe.
That's wild.
Yes.
Who's the go-to?
Um, it depends on what I'm doing, but Ramstein, Sepultura, Black Sabbath. I love like Bruce Dickinson's solo stuff.
Black Sabbath isn't like that. Like,
Yeah, no, they're not like the new kind of stuff for sure. I grew up with that though. That's the stuff I grew up with. Boy, it's just not doing anything.
no, but I'm fucking in long. I'm trying to scalp this thing to get my fucking payout. Oh, it almost got there. I went break even. I hit the break even button.
Mm-hmm. You got a break even button?
Yeah.
I don't have a break even button.
On Quant Tower?
I'm not on Quant Tower. I'm on Ninja.
Oh, I'm on Quant Tower.
I guess I should switch it. Well, I don't know. I like Ninja, but I don't got a break even button.
So I will say I didn't like the way to pay out with Legends Trading, but the good thing is they kind of forced you to take it slow. Just requested your second payout. Dude, that's awesome. Are those on the accounts that you got for 90% off, Matt?
Maybe the whole Earth would move over a little.
Sure. Plants would love it, probably.
It'd be like a green cloud.
Your dog would go follow you. The dogs would love it.
It'd be like Nirvana. They're like, oh my God, you dreamed of this. What made you think of that?
Say
That's
that.
so random. That's
What up,
like
Massive?
thoughts from the toilet.
I mean,
That's great.
200 a day does it.
That's what I've been thinking about doing.
All right, what do you shoot for normally?
I don't. I just kind of I keep going until I feel like I don't want to risk anything more.
So once I get to like 150 in a PA account, I just move to another one. So that's like how I lock these in. Where all right, well I'm already in 150, I'm done, and then I'll just move to the next one.
For a while, I did. If I get green at all, I just stop, even if it's like $10, and that kind of worked. But I got bored with that pretty quick.
So if you went in and it just went green right away, you were just out?
Not like in the trade, but if I took a trade and it won.
Some people do that, one trade a day.
Yeah. But I mean, that doesn't work great if it doesn't counterbalance your lost trades.
Definitely can't. It rebills at 80% off. Texas Tommy. So cancel it. The rebill 80% off is $37. Man, this thing just died. This thing just died. Yeah, a lot of those deals, I look to see what they always rebill at. And if it doesn't rebill at the same price, I typically just cancel and then that's it. You know, you ride the deal for what the deal is and then you just kind of move on. Oh man, this thing is just sitting here. Wiser than most. What up? What is up, man? Am I waiting? I'm waiting for it to dip and then probably buy. I can't short it. You could see like there's no real selling pressure. Like I think you're gonna get a bounce probably like oh shit. Like I'm willing to take that as a I'm willing to risk that if we get down there. I don't know if we're gonna even get down there. I used to think I don't even know what to say. Um, come on down. We get a quick 50 bounce. Bro, I was not watching any shows in the 80s. Were you watching Golden Girls? Was it even in the 80s, 90s? Probably 80s. Did you know those girls on Golden Girls were only in their like 40s and 50s? Marie, did you see that? Marie's gone or muted. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Push it. I'll take this in this account too. Sucks is I gotta do this all manually. Yo, what up, Izzy? Come on and grab my freaking order right now. Let's go.
Are you looking for a long?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
I mean, I did not get my full bag that I wanted, but I'm in a PA account, and I don't know which one. Or did I not get filled in the PA account?
Order filled.
There, I just got filled in the PA. Pay 75.
Order filled.
Needs to
Order filled.
It's breaking down.
What
Come
news
on.
do we have tomorrow?
What?
What news do we have tomorrow?
I don't think anything big. You have non-farm payroll on Friday.
Oh.
That's the big one. Oh, you're fucking teasing me? You're gonna tease me now? Come on. I don't like this.
What is Loper?
Oh, it's some other guy. I think it's the same guy as World whatever. Oh, motherfucker. I got stopped. Except for this eval. This eval still in? Awesome. This is the problem without like my copy trader. I got to go freaking back and forth, back. You know, it's just. I'm just gonna get out of this.
Order filled.
It's so much harder to like manage the freaking trades. Dude, the chat is just zigging when it should be zagging.
I know.
I don't even know. I don't even get into it. Are we going to hit 80 right here or what?
It's looking like it.
Top of the IB. It's definitely looking like it.
There we go.
I'm just going to rip a bunch of buys when we hit 80.
Order filled. Order filled.
They need a fucking break even button on Tradeivy. You know, like once we trade up here on a bounce, like I want to go back. I want to go to break even
Hmm.
Order filled.
with the rest of my positions.
Could you do a? Oh, I don't know.
No, they don't have a break even button. It's kind of stupid.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, made all that money I lost back plus 164. Boing! See, now it's murky. Like, that's actually a super bullish candle that they just put in.
I wonder if you could set up hotkeys for that.
Break even on Tradeify.
Break even, close everything. Stuff
Close
like that.
everything is you just hit this gray button that says exit and market and close.
Hmm.
But break even, like I would have sold some of these out and then moved the rest to break even and still been in the trade. I can't believe I just didn't play that in my Quad Tower account. I played that candle down to the top of the IB, and then I did not play it back up. I played it in freaking Tradeivate and didn't do it in the account that mattered. Such a great bounce off the top of the IB. That's that thing I back tested when you go 50 points.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, anytime you travel 50 points kind of straight down, the bounce is like 90%.
Wow.
It was exactly 50 points. Yeah, I back tested it one day on what up, Chris? I back tested it on manually. Smash the like for a Ducati? I wish. I'd smash it. Yo, I get these text messages from random people that are like, hello. And then you write back and they're like, oh, do you want to meet for lunch? And
What?
you're like, wrong person. And they're like, oh, well, how about you just talk to me? And I'm like, no. How about not? You freaking bot or you freaking dude in China that's talking to me?
Yeah, what the heck?
Man, that was the play, though.
I get these phone calls that call, and when I answer, there's no one there. I'm like, they're not even good at
Nah,
speaking.
that's testing. That's a robo-dialer testing to see if you're a live number or not.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah.
So I just confirm it.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, listen, everyone's information is out there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you put in someone's like name and city, like there's not too many, you know, in that same city. So with all these like weird websites that track everything, all like what is it, like verified something or other, or my search or whatever.
Yeah.
That was such a great bounce. You could set, yeah, but I get calls from people that aren't on my contact list, so I can't do that. Yeah, I'm kind of with you too, Steven. I mean, I don't trust anybody that just calls me randomly. No, definitely no random calls. I need to turn this account green here. Oh man, I can't believe that. That was such a good bounce. I was gonna say if they could push this over the top here. Watch this. I think they're gonna sell this.
Order filled.
Don't take this. If they can't get it over the top here, you're going all the way back down, and it's just kind of a risk reward type thing.
I never heard of that fiber. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. Yo, is your call assistant hot?
Order filled.
I got out because it was at 900 and we're just holding. Peanuts, but feels like it's gonna go back down.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. The ES is still just hanging out by the open. It's really not gone anywhere.
What up, Jip? Man, gold just keeps going. Just where they push it. I'm waiting for one big freaking candle up. Is that what they're going to do? No. Might just trade back and forth in this zone for like a while and then finally push up.
Mm-hmm.
Silver hurt you a little yesterday? Silver goes quick, man.
Silver's been hurting a lot of people.
I don't get why people keep trading it, though. They like the rush. People like the rush of silver. I can make a gazillion dollars real fast.
Even on 2 micros, it's bad.
It can get going. As soon as you buy with one mini, you could be down $250 based on the spread. And one mini is one micro. I think
Really,
is like
just on the spread. Holy crap!
Fifth of that. So I think you can be down like $50 as soon as you buy.
Wow.
Well, I need $75 to freaking pass. I can't seem to just get it. Silver micros, man. I'm out on silver micros. I'm out on silver. Although I played silver last night, but dude, it's going. Yo, what up, Doug? Yeah, $25 every half a penny on silver.
Wow.
So 1 penny is $50. And sometimes the spread is 2 pennies. Or more, 3 pennies. Silver wasn't meant to be traded as it is right now, is the problem. Otherwise, I think they would have devalued the future contracts to be less. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
each future contract, instead of $25 a tick, would represent $10 a tick. You know,
They'll
because
adjust it.
silver traditionally was traded, sub $20. So, I think, and it didn't move around a lot. People weren't really trading silver. Damn, this thing just went. Yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. Damn, I would have freaking passed. I would have gotten my payout. Jeez. Man, that was a crazy freaking candle. Wow. Why didn't I get in at the bottom, bro? You know what's funny is I did get in at the bottom. I just didn't hold it. At some point, I have to take a shot, though. I've been scalping like 2 micros at a time, but at some point, I'm gonna have to try to get $75 in this account to get a payout. Because even if I lose $75, it doesn't really matter. Yo, what up, Discipline? Damn, this thing's just going. Since the bottom of that news, you're up 150 points.
Wow. Yeah, I guess they didn't mind.
No one cares. Nobody cares. If it wasn't for PayPal, I'd be freaking even on the day. I want to see some type of pullback. I hate days like this when the news comes out. It's like a negative news, but then no one cares and it just keeps going. And you're like, well, what the fuck? Like, why even come out with the news? Why have the market even move off of it? Like, nobody cares. I think we're going over 26,000. I want to see a pullback. I want to see a little pullback here. It just did what? Go over 26,000? Not today. Oh, the pullback? Yeah, but I mean, now I want to see another one. Can't chase it up here. Come on, give us a little Dippy McDipperson. I wonder if it just holds the 9 and just keeps going. Are you in anything?
I'm long, just for a scalp,
Oh, since when?
since just a minute ago.
Oh, jeez, you FOMO'd in?
Yep. Well, I didn't FOMO in. Well, I guess I did
On what? NQ or ES?
on ES
I don't know what that.
because it broke out over the top and looked like it was going to hold.
Well, it's going. ES is at 7,000. That might be the short, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I'm curious what happens. It's just so interesting because it's at 7,000. Yeah, XRP. I do believe that. Maybe it just goes. That's the only thing I'd be watching out for is if it holds above 7,000. It's just an interesting.
7,000's a killer.
It's just an interesting spot. You know, like if it was going to reject at any spot,
Mm-hmm.
I might take NQ short here.
Order filled.
Just based on keeping it super fucking tight, not even a 10-point stop. Just based on if ES can't get back over 7,000, ES is probably going to dump back a little bit and it'll probably pull NQ back. I'll tell you what, though, you get over 7,000, it will just run. It's looking like you might get it. It's right there. I mean, I'm keeping this freaking tight. I'm not. Just
Right
broke
on
it.
the edge. Right on the edge.
It just broke it.
Ooh.
I mean, it could just go. Yes, it's just gonna pump it here. Look at this. 701. It's gonna go loot. It's just gonna go. It looks like it's just gonna go. Step on the old gas pedal and just go for it. 7,005 or something. Did you go to break even?
No, I'm waiting for it to get to where I can. I'm only up like 4 ticks.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm barely up. I will as soon as I can.
I mean, it looks like it's gonna go. NQ looking like it wants to touch 26,000 at this point. Just sitting back and watching. I mean, can't really do much. It's either you're in or you're not.
Will it make it? It's not looking real enthusiastic.
This?
Yeah. Is it to you?
I mean, I would super fucking extended. You know, would I have bought up here? No. I would be at break even and say, hey, listen, if I get stopped out, it is what it is.
I mean, it looks high, but we were barely above the daily open right there on ES. it really hadn't traveled at all. But
Oh, I
there's
see what you're talking about. Yeah.
yeah, but there's all those like 7,000 right there, and all the other highs over there.
I mean, at the
I don't
bare
know.
minimum, you know, I'm more conservative. Like I would be moved up to the bottom of this 5 minute candle, which is 7,000.
Yeah. So I'm at break even now.
Yeah. So now you can just chill out. I'm sitting in this thing with 1 micro. If that hits, I believe I get my fucking payout.
How much do you need?
$44. So I think that's 20 points on NQ. So right with 1 micro is $20 every 10. So 10, 40, you know, it'd probably be like this. I'd like this to trade back, go over like 80 to give me some room, some breathing room here. I never really played like 1 micro, so this is all a whole new world to me. But I don't want to take a big loss. Like I almost want to add 1 micro and then move to like maybe 67, but like I'd rather just give it room. I'd rather the extra drawdown at this point to see if it can get up to 26,000 and get the payout. Yes, pumping. But yeah, that's $2,000 payout riding on the line here. Looks like it's not going to happen for me. Man, oh man, oh man. I wanted to get over 80 to give me some breathing room. So like see if I doubled up my position, I would have got stopped out break even. When is the 90% apex? Bro, why didn't you just buy yesterday? I don't know when it's going to come back. It doesn't come back that often. I was waiting for someone to ask me today. Yo, 2K is weighing heavy on a micro. Yep. $2,000. I wish I could just send them $50 to send me 2,000. No, not beat the meat. This is for Diaz. I'm over the limit, but I need I'm over the limit, but I need one extra day of $150. And today's the day if I can get to 93 here. Which ones are hella cheap? Let me look. You can always, I post all the deals there mostly. What's hella cheap? Bulenox is 91% off, but their activation fees are fucking high. For cheapies, I got to edit this today at lunch, actually. Yeah, I got that yesterday, too. I was like, I don't give a fuck. I just trade and make money. There's not like any cheap. The cheapest one is Bulenox. It's $16, but the problem is once you pass, the activation fee is $148. So I would probably say I'm gonna move my stop up just to make sure I lock in something here. You hate intraday? Then I would go Take Profit Trader is my favorite. But that's not hella cheap. Holy shit. I'm just moving my stop up, so if I get taken out, I'm close to passing anyways. That's 102 all in. I'm trying to think what there's not like Legends had the 90% off deal, Apex ran theirs. I don't think anyone's running like a cheap front end deal right now except Bulenox at 91. Man, I am so close to this freaking payout. I could taste it. No, it's not. TPT is intraday for the first $2,000 of your funded account, and then that's it. Then it becomes static. Can't they just algo it to 93? Fidias, they're not running the 90% off sale. I gotta edit that. That's what I'm in right now. Oh, please, sweet baby Jesus. Oh.
I'm locked in about $50.
Good. There you go.
Yeah. Now it could just do its thing.
Come on. I need 6 more motherfucking points. Come on. Come on. Lock in the 2,000 right now. Come on. You need 8 more points. I don't even know if I need 8 more points. See it on the side, the P&L that's moving? I need $17 more. Is that 93? 17 more dollars? I'm just moving my freaking stop up because I'm going to have to scalp the last $17 probably. ES is pumping.
Yeah, I'm trailing this pretty tight.
Yeah, no, a lot of people spread misinformation about Take Profit Trader. So what happens is once you go live, the first 2,000 trails, and then once you hit 52,000, you have a static account. And then when they go live, you could have up to 5 live accounts, which is better, which is awesome. No! Don't do it. 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 Bounce. Please. Please. Bounce. All right, I need $30. I need $30. I don't know when I'm going to go for the $30, but it's 12 o'clock. I'm jumping off. We're going to, I'm going to go eat, and I'm going to wait for a good setup to get my $30. So I will, I'll be back around 2 o'clock, guys.
Bye. Later.